Introduction. Python offers several built-in functions to simplify programming, one of which is the enumerate function. This tutorial covers the basic usage of the Python enumerate function, including its syntax, usage, and examples. Understanding enumerate in Python. In Python, the enumerate function adds a counter to an iterable and returns it as an enumerate object. This function is useful for iterations requiring both index and value of elements. Structure of enumerate function. The enumerate function takes two parameters, iterable and start. Iterable can be a sequence, string, tuple, etc., collection, set, dictionary, etc., or an iterator object to be enumerated. Start is the index number from which the counter should start. Its default value is 0. Example of enumerate function in Python. The enumerate function can be used with lists to get the index and the value of the elements. The start parameter can be set to change the initial index number. Tips, tricks, and common errors. The start parameter in the enumerate function is optional. If not specified, Python assumes it is 0. The enumerate function returns two values, the count and the value of the item. These values must be unpacked correctly. The enumerate function only works with iterables. Using it with a non-iterable will result in an error. Conclusion. The enumerate function in Python is used for assigning an index to each item of the iterable object. It enhances code readability and is often used when dealing with loops where both the index and the value of elements are necessary.